Yep, this is actually an oiler system. I'm not really sure where it gets its oil from. So there's a clutch there. So very neutral. Should rotate that heater down there, which is doing. See that there, look, that's wixed. This is an oil bath here, so you must fill that oil in it, and it's the wicks soak it down. I don't think it's seen any wicks for a long time. So that engages and disengages stuff. Well, that's why the teeth, that's a pinion. What we need to do is find out, see that's working in that position, but not in that position. Oh, that's working there too. Well, whatever I did, it stopped it doing it. So when you engage that drive, and when I pull that up, it should go. That's working again, it's moving. And this drives that. Just to figure out why that's coming over there. We're getting travel on that now. Let's blow that. So that's where that should spin round. I'll just spin, I think. Let's try it with it. Threading bit's not moving. Right, so that wheel's now engaging. But there's something come off the back of it. Excuse me. And it is going up and down and moving as it should. The only problem I've got now is this wheel here's decided, whoever drove it, there's a spline there, I think there must have been a woodruff key in there, has disappeared. And I found a wee bracket, but I think that goes, must be one of them, but don't know where that goes. I don't think it's been in for a while because the threads were full of gunge. I cleaned them out. So what I think I might do is put a door in here so I can get into the bottom of there. Pretty heavy cast like, so should be able to cut it with an angle grinder. We'll see. Okay, so I mean everything's working. I'm still chucking the ways back in. I might see if I can get this working as well, because it's got to be that tight it doesn't move or it just rattles about. Just the old age. This is the worm drive that fell down out. There's a pin goes through and it drives on there like that. But to get it to come out, you need that bit out, and there is a grub screw at the end here I took out, but couldn't get to work. So I core drilled a hole here. I can just get my fingers in there to get my fingers on to get the thing aligned and onto the shaft, and then because we've got to put the top back on, and the first job is turning a new plug for here. Quite a tight fitting one, I hope. So I doubt if anybody's been in here for a long time. So I actually assembled it all and I took it apart again. This is the big heavy bit that we'll have to put back next, so I probably won't film it because it's just bolting the thing back together. However, this lock here, I found that line had fallen out, but there's a bolt comes through for the top for it apparently. So I think it maybe you can tighten it up and it locks it onto the ways so you can't move it, probably. But I'm learning as I go. Learning not to touch things. So anyway, I'm just away to start reassembling this. And I'll bring you back once I've got it back together. I'm going to wait to try and, this whole bit here goes down here, and I'll try and get that underneath and get the pin through it, and it's going to be in here. There we go. And then it meshes with that big lead screw there. So, maybe swearing. I'll bring you back when I get it done. We've got a working threading dial again. I managed to get the pin in through here. I was trying to bend it, but it looks like it's done it for me. Anyway, we're going to make a door for here that can be removed. Future exploits in here.